Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and log out of account on Fortnite PS5. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into our video. So for that matter, the very first step I would show you is you simply have to go to your store.epicgames.com on your web browser and simply access their official website, and right over here simply sign in with your account's information on top. So once you have done so, all you have to do is tap on your account on top and simply choose to go to this option of account below coupons, and here in this account section you will be able to find all kinds of information and account settings option on at the right side of the screen. All you have to do is simply go to this option of apps and accounts, and right over here you will be able to see all of the platforms that your account is connected with. You can see it is Google connected and the other platforms. If you have your PS5 account connected, you will be able to see that particular app connection over here, right? All you have to do is simply scroll down to the bottom, and you can see here in this Google we have a connected account, so it shows the option of remove. If your account is connected, you will be able to see this option of remove below. Simply tap on this remove. You might have to confirm it again in another tab. Simply confirm it, and then you will be able to disconnect your particular PS5 account from your game like that. So when you access your game on your console, you will be asked to link another account of yours because the account has been disconnected. All you have to do is enter the information again of the other account of yours, and you can start playing as well. So this is a simple way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.